Hi folks, welcome to campkins.com. This is the online video walkthrough of the 2021 Avenger LT 16BH, available now at Campkins. This is a great little lightweight minivan towable bunk moddable available for the family. You can see here you've got a large storage door on the front, solar prep, and the trailer does come equipped with 4 stabilizer jacks on the outside so that it's nice and stable when you're at the campground. As well, you have an electric awning, so it's very, very easy to put out and put back in if you do get some wind. And it has lights so that when you're outside, you've got lots of illumination. You've got speakers outside as well. When you go into the trailer, you can see you're first greeted with your queen size bed, which does have storage underneath. And then you've got large storage cabinets above it. You do have some good windows as well, so it's very, very bright inside this trailer, and it has a skylight in the roof. You can see also that you've got cabinet storage above the dinette, which gives you that extra space for those extra camping items that you have. Then you've got a good sized dinette because this trailer is actually 7.5 feet wide. So you get a little bit of a wider dinette in this model, which is just great. You've got storage underneath the dinette seats as well. And then there's the bunk area, which comes in with a nice little skylight in the top bunk, so it makes it nice and bright and spacious. And then it's got a nice window in the bottom bunk that you can open up for extra ventilation. In the washroom area, you can see that you have lots of room around the toilet, and then there's a nice shower with a shower surround there and lots of room in the washroom area. Just outside the washroom, you have a 11 cubic foot 12-volt fridge, so it will work off the battery, and if you plug it into a solar panel, that will continue to help it work, and then it will also work off power. You've got a 2-burner cooktop stove, you've got some drawers here for storage, and then you've got this entertainment area which works off of Bluetooth and gives you all of your sound. You can get radio and everything, control it there. Good countertop space, nice large window in the kitchen, and then you've got storage up above and then all the LED lights as well. So if you've got a smaller vehicle and you want to get camping, this is a great trailer. It's easy to use, easy to set up, you're ready to go. This is the 2021 Avenger 16BH LT, available now at Campkins, which is in Myrtle, Ontario. Where is that? Well, it's just north of Whitby on Highway 12. So why don't you come on out and help us help you make your RV dreams come true.